Hello friends, welcome back to Chiranjit tutorial. My name is Chiranjit. Today I am going to teach you a lesson of typography. So let's start. First of all, you have to take the type tool and then you can type here your customized text. You can type here your name and whatever it is. I have typed thank you, and you can change also font as you like. Whatever font you can choose here. So I have choose this font. I will make it little bit bigger. Then right click on the text and create outline. Right click again, then choose ungroup. Just place it in this place. Then make it group by right click, make group. Place it in the center of the artboard and make it one more copy of this. Press Alt and Shift for the duplicate copy and make it out fill off and the outline. And then you have to go window, stroke, then choose cap, round cap, corner, round, corner also round. Then I have made here gradient color. I am going to apply this color on this text. So you can make your gradient color as you like. So to make the gradient you have to go window, gradient, just click on this panel. You can make the window gradient. Just click on this panel and you can change your customized color. Just double click on this and choose which color do you want, and just double click to change the color. Which color you want. You can also add, just press Alt and drag it to add one more color. Here you can change this. So I have made this one. I am going to apply this color on this text. So just press I and click on this color and then select the two objects and make one more click on this object and just choose this option, horizontal align center. Then you can see I have selected the gradient color. This is outline and I am going to lock this gradient color. Just press Ctrl 2 to lock the object, and I have selected the outline. I am going to bump up the outline stroke. And just select this, right click, arrange, send backward. And now I am going to highlight on this text. Just take the pen tool and draw here an outline like this, and then go to stroke, window stroke. Stroke I choose 1 point and make the stroke color white. And then just go to this option, uniform, and choose here. There are few options. I am choosing this option, and then I'll stroke. I will make it 2 point. So it's time to highlight the text that it looks better. So now I will select all the highlighted part. You can select in one time. Just press Ctrl 2 to lock the object, and you can drag it to select all the highlighted part. I will make the outline to point and will choose this option. I think this looks better. You can change also which one you like. Some option. I think this one is looking better. Then just press Ctrl 2 to unlock the all objects, and then select all object and make group. Then just go to object path outline stroke. That's it. You can make it bigger. One more thing that I have forgotten, that is, here you can add drop shadow that it looks better. So you have to go effect, stylize, drop shadow, and make the preview option on. So which color you want to give in the shadow? I am choosing 50% black, and here you can adjust the opacity. I am going to make it 50, and this one makes 6, 7, 5, and blur going to 6. So that's it. So you can see here is a drop shadow I have added. That's why this is looking more better. So guys, thank you for watching.